Okay, once again.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Again started talking, I told you. Please mute. Yes, you take your protractor, how you have drawn in the previous problems. You take your scale first. Draw the line. Okay. No need of next one, you take the protractor. You can keep at this point. Baseline should be coinciding with. Now here you have to see inner scale. This is 0, 10, 20, 30. You can see inner scale. Is it clear? Clear or not? Any doubt? You can use like this.
Then can I use pen because
Yes.
I don't have pencil with me.
Okay, no problem. You draw with the pen
My
now.
mother's house.
Yes, you can draw it with the pen. No problem now. Okay. Afterwards, you have to, but whenever you are drawing, you have to draw with the pencil. That is the rule. Okay. Now you draw the line like this. Have you completed now? Take your protractor. Then you can keep here. Yes. Then, which scale you will see here? Inner scale, 0, 10, 20, 30. Is it okay? Here you mark the point. Then you join this line. Is it okay now? Join this line. This is 30 degree. Same protractor, if you are using same protractor, you can keep here. You can keep here. If you are keeping this side, because this side no line, so you cannot see inner scale. You keep here. So where it will starting now? 0, this outer scale you should see. 0, 10, 20, 30. This is 30 degree. Is it clear now? No, still not understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it will depend upon where you are keeping the protractor. If you are keeping the protractor, here you can see once again, take the ruler now, draw the line. Afterwards, take the...
Ma'am, can
yes.
scale
You can
ma'am,
keep here.
can I do outer scale?
Now you keep the protractor here because there is no line this side. So you should use outer scale, 0, 10, 20, 30. Is it understood now? Yes or no?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Should we draw inner or outer? Ma'am,
You can draw it. It will left up to you. 30 degree now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. I can draw the outer and the scale, ma'am.
If you want to draw it, you can draw with both outer scale and inner scale.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. How many now? Who is having doubt?
Ma'am, Felix.
Yes, Felix.
Ma'am, can I ask an excuse?
Yes. Excuse you can ask.
Ma'am, I don't have a pencil with me, so after the class, can I ask my mother and take
yes.
pencil and draw this?
Yes,
after
you can
the class?
draw it afterwards. But don't sit it simply now. Okay, because your next problem. Okay, is it clear now? Is it clear? So it will depend upon where you are keeping the protractor. That is why you are using inner scale and outer scale. Now which scale you used here? Outer scale.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in the 14th question, there is 133 degree. Does it is reflex angle?
33 degree, not reflex angle. Who told that?
No. Ma'am, 133.
No. 33 degree is always acute.
Ma'am, I asked 133.
133 is obtuse. Then you take the protractor. So you draw the line. Give the scale now. Okay. Afterwards, you take the protractor. Keep it here. If you are keeping here, which scale you will use it? Which scale you have to use it if you are keeping?
Inner scale.
Outer scale.
Because the line is starting from here. This is starting from 0, 10 to 20. This is correct. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Now it is 30 degree. It will be correct 30 degree. 30 degree now. Okay. Now you can use same protractor. for outer scale also. Same use only. You can keep here. You take the protractor. I will rub it and show it again here. You are drawing the line. Drawing one line. Now you keep the protractor here. You have to keep here this point. Take the protractor here. Okay. So where is here line is there for you to measure? No. So what you should do there? Now you have to take 0, 10, 20.
Can I name the angle?
Yes, you can name the angle. So here it will be correct now. This line you should draw it. So if you are keeping here, you have to use inner scale. If you are keeping right side, you have to use outer scale. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That is the difference. Yes, tell me.
Is this correct?
Which one?
My
Yes, once again. Once I will check it now. Show me your figure.
ma'am Riza.
Yes, Riza. Wait. Riza. Yes, correct. You used the outer scale because
Outer scale.
outer scale. You
Ma'am,
used. Yes.
Ma'am, should we write steps?
No, steps and all not necessary. Who's that? Yes, correct.
Ma'am,
Yes,
is
correct.
this correct?
Correct.
Ma'am, is this correct? Ma'am, Anjima, is this
Anjima,
correct?
you can don't shout. You say the name and come. That's all. Yes, Prithvi.
Ma'am, Aditi.
Yes.
And Dia.
Aditi. Okay. Correct.
And Dia.
Yes, Diya.
Ma'am,
Diya, where are you? Yes, correct now. Correct. Very good. Now you understood, I think. Any doubt?
Ma'am Rudra.
Yes, Rudra. Correct. Very good.
all day.
Ma'am, Tanvi. Adidev's very okay. Okay, correct. Correct. Now this is 30 degree, 135. Now it is clear, I think. Yes or no?
ma'am, Sarah.
Yes, Sarah. 130 not correct, Sarah. No.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it
it
is
is
135.
135.
Srihari, any doubt?
Ma'am, isn't it
Ma'am, it is 135.
135. Yes.
Tanvi.
Yes, Tanvin, you can show that.
135.
Sarah, did you correct it
Ma'am,
now?
correct.
Ma'am,
Felix?
Sarah used she used the left side, but she took out the scale.
Yes, left side is you kept and
But
took
she
the
took
outer
out the
scale. That
scale,
is why it
ma'am.
is happening. So where the line is there, you start 0 from there. The line will be coinciding. If the line is this side, you have to take outer scale. Okay? Otherwise, it will make mistakes. Manav completed?
Ma'am, Janvi.
Yes, okay, very good, Janvi, correct. Yes, okay, good. Now it is clear? Once again, I should explain?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have drew it before, so that's
What?
why only.
Yes, you have drawn it before.
He have drawn before.
Ma'am, Vandika.
Yes, Avantika. Yes. So I think all of you understood. If you are using left protractor, if you are keeping the protractor left side, you have to see inner scale. If you are keeping the protractor is right side, you have to keep outer scale. Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Now shouting again started. Again started shouting. Yes. Okay. 16th one. 16th one. Acute angle. So they have shown the figure. 16th one, acute angle, one box they have drawn. One box like this, acute angle. Here also one more small, big box is there. Right, at the center they have marked right angle. How will you represent 90 degrees? Sarah, did you complete now?
Yeah,
Finished?
ma'am.
No, you will
Yeah.
complete it afterwards. Here you can keep, here you can write it. Okay. So acute angle, if you want to draw with acute angle 30 degree, you can take it here 30 and write the measurement 30 or 40, whatever you are.
35 degree.
35 degree means here you should write 35 degree. Use protractor and draw it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, using. Ma'am, if we are using protractor, then we need a bigger one, right?
Which one?
But there won't be any space. Ma'am, if you're using protractor, then there won't be any space to draw the
Space will
whole
not be there.
angle.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nasnia, did you complete now? You see it, a small one, you can draw it. Nasnia, did you finish?
Ma'am, should we use inner or outer?
Can we write less than 90?
Ma'am, should we use inner or outer?
Inner, you can use it. Otherwise, you are making mistakes. Outer, if you are using, making mistakes. So you use inner scale now. Don't make mistakes.
Ma'am, that space is not enough for drawing.
No, space is not, you rough figure, you draw it. What to do now? Space is not sufficient?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, how much is obtuse angle?
More than 90, 100, 91, 92, 93, 94, up to 180 is obtuse.
Okay, ma'am.
Up to 180. 180 is straight. Have you drawn the figure, all of you? Acute angle?
Ma'am, is in
Yes,
140 degree obtuse angle?
Ah, yes, 140 is obtuse. 100 is also obtuse. From 90 onwards, after 90, it will become obtuse.
Ma'am, 50
correct.
is an acute
Yes,
angle.
Nainika?
Is it correct?
Correct. Where is your pencil? You are also not having pencil? Write
No,
the angle.
ma'am.
No. How much angle you used to write it there?
And can I do outer scale?
If you keep the protractor here, you use outer scale. If you keep the,
Ma'am.
yes,
How do we know how many degrees is it?
because it is acute. Acute means here they did not mention any angle. So according to your wish, you can take 30 degree, 40 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, or whatever you want to take it, you take it. Any doubt still? No. Obtuse also they told you can take
Ma'am,
according
can I write
Yes.
90?
90 you cannot take. Yes, 110 is also obtuse.
Ma'am,
I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, how will we draw a reflex angle using a protractor?
Protractor, no need of using now. Only rough figure you can draw it.
Ma'am, can you show how to draw a zero angle?
Yes, otherwise you can take the 180 degree you can keep here. You draw one small line angle and the remaining will be reflex angle. If it is 30 degree,
Excuse me,
yes,
ma'am.
330.
Can you show how will we know if that is
More
Ma'am,
than
where will
180.
we
Excuse me, ma'am.
protractor? Ma'am, how do we draw a
Ma'am,
zero
Sarah.
angle?
Zero?
Ma'am, zero angle, how would we write?
Zero
draw
angle
it?
means nothing will be there. Only this much.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
And
tell.
where we will keep the
Ma'am.
protractor.
You draw one line and only line you should draw it. No need of keeping any angle because
Ma'am, the
who
reflex angle is like this, right?
is asking so many doubts?
Where we will
Anyone?
keep the protractor.
Anybody? Anyone?
Ma'am, Felix,
Yes, Felix. Others mute.
in the reflex angle, the angle is looking like this, right?
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
More than
So,
180 it will be there. 190, 100, 200 it will be.
So we should tilt the protractor, or
Or you can draw like this. You can keep only small angle. Here you can keep here.
can you draw it using a
Yes.
protractor?
Yes, you can use it. Keep it here. This is 180. Okay. Then again, here you can write it. Keep the protractor here. 50 more degree you can take here. This is 180 it will become. Okay. You keep the protractor again. This point you have to take 50 more degree. That means 200.
100.
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yes. 100 degree where? 100 is obtuse. Who is talking there?
Siddhi.
Siddhi, yes, Siddhi. Any doubt? Tell your name and ask because you are crying like I'm here. Yes, Siddhi. Ask your doubt.
And I will write the zero angle.
Zero angle I told you. You draw one just line. That's all.
And a half line of the protractor.
No need of using protractor. Otherwise, you keep the protractor here. You see the baseline will coincide this point. If you want to draw zero angle, you keep the protractor. If you want to use the protractor, you keep the protractor here at this point. This is zero angle, zero. Here you mark it. Yes, keep the point. And here this will be the zero angle. You can draw it now. Zero. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That's all. Because it will be a line only. No need of drawing using protractor there. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Anybody is having doubt?
Ma'am, is it correct?
Yes. Who's that?
Nainika.
Nainika. Yes, Nainika. All are drawing with the pen. What happened? I don't know. No. That is 130.
I am drawing with pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
Drawing with
Ma'am,
the
Rudra.
Mira, finish now.
Ma'am, is my correct?
Rudra.
Hrithvi.
Who? Hrithvi.
Hrithvi.
Show me.
Ma'am.
Yes. 70 degrees. 70 degree. Why you are drawing? Second, third one. Obtuse angle. Obtuse
Ma'am,
angle means
Sarah.
110 is there. Or 100 you can draw it. Hrithvi. Yes.
ma'am.
Not 70 Hrithvi there. First one is 70. You can draw it. Third one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means like this. You should draw the line. 100 degree. You can mark it down as 100 degree. This is obtuse.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the difference between complete angle and zero angle?
Complete angle means zero angle. Now, clock, needle of a clock. Needle of a clock. It is rotating once and coming back again to 360 degree. Okay. Then, if the movement is not there, then only zero. If you are not moving anywhere, it is called zero. You are not moving. But again, you are coming back to the original. You are moving round and you are coming back to the original position. Then 360 it will become. Okay. Needle of the clock is moving from 0 to 12 up to 12. So 360 angle will be formed. But it will be same like 0 and they will be showing one arrow mark like this. Mostly they will be showing one arrow mark. This is zero, complete angle.
Ma'am,
Yes. Understood the difference between zero angle and complete angle? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Zero angle means if the needle of the clock is not moving, then it is zero angle. If it is moving and coming
Ma'am.
back to the original position, then 360 degree. Yes.
Ma'am, we have the same class in this type.
Where?
455.
Not yours now.
Ma'am, we have
we have
You
a
are having. Okay.
Ma'am,
okay.
is my correct?
Yes, Hrithvi. Now it is correct.
Ma'am, this too also
Yes.
correct, ma'am?
Slide up.
Ma'am, is it correct?
180 correct. You can 185 correct. Yes.
Ma'am, Sarah.
Ma'am, also
I have a doubt.
correct.
Ma'am, we have class in the same time.
Now what is the time? 4:55.
Excuse me, ma'am.
55.
Tomorrow
That's
there
my
will be one test.
Ma'am, Sarah. Ma'am, Sarah. Ma'am, Sarah.
What is your answer now?
Ma'am, Sarah.
Yes, Sarah. What is your
Ma'am,
answer?
does my is correct?
I cannot see you now. Yes.
Ma'am, can you look at me?
Adidev. No, Sarah, I cannot see. Where are you?
Ma'am, I am here.
Second.
Ma'am, we have social class in this time.
Yes,
Now.
Sarah. Now I can see. Now, yes, Sarah. Now,
Can you look at me?
we have a social class, ma'am.
yes, I will leave now. I will leave.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am. See you next
ma'am.
class, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next problems, you have to see and come. Okay, how to draw it.
Okay, ma'am.
We will try.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.